Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to cancel your Hostinger subscription. So to start with, you want to open up the Hostinger homepage and log into your account. Once you're there, from the home page, we're going to look for the billing tab. So you might see it on the left-hand pane. If not, we can go to the top right where our profile picture is. Click on that, scroll down and click on billing. From there, you'll have your subscriptions listed and you need to find the one that you want to cancel. When you do, go to the right-hand side and click on the arrow. From there, we're going to scroll down and find the auto-renewal tab, as you will probably have this turned on. To cancel your subscription at the end of its term, all you need to do is turn that button off. If you're within the 30-day guarantee, you can also speak to customer service and request your money back. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.